A lot of times we blame our tiredness on busy schedules and endless to-do lists. But what if the real reason is a lack of inner peace? Like a phone with too many apps open, our minds get drained by constant worries, replaying conversations and anxiety about the future, even when we're physically still. True energy comes from a calm mind, not just a rested body. Protecting your peace is essential, not a luxury. Next time you feel tired, don't just ask what you did, ask where you lost your peace. That's where your true power lies. Anxiety is a quiet thief, sneakily draining your focus and joy. You might notice it as trouble concentrating or feeling unproductive, even on busy days. Anxiety creates mental static, making every task harder and stealing simple pleasures from you. It keeps you on high alert, always preparing for problems that rarely come, leaving you exhausted. Recognizing anxiety's patterns is the first step to reclaiming your focus and joy. Choose peace moment by moment, and take back your power from the thief. Getting back to calm starts with small daily habits. Try the 4-4-6 breath. Breathe in for 4, hold for 4, breathe out for 6. This tells your body to relax. Take a mindful walk. No phone, just notice your senses. Let the present moment ground you. Set times to be phone-free, like the first and last hour of your day, to clear mental clutter. These habits, breathing, walking, digital detox, are key for mental hygiene. Practice them daily to train your mind to return to calm more easily. You're building a foundation of peace, one breath and one step at a time. Your mind believes what you tell it most. Replace your inner critic with a voice of calm and strength using affirmations. Say them out loud. I am safe in this moment. I trust my ability to handle what comes. I allow my body and mind to relax. Peace begins with me. Look in the mirror and say this with conviction. Let the words sink in. Affirmations aren't about pretending, they're about choosing a perspective that serves you. By feeding your mind messages of calm and self-belief, you rewire it for peace. Over time, this kind voice becomes stronger than fear. You become your greatest source of comfort and strength. Stress doesn't always come from big events. Often it's from small hidden leaks in your energy. Decision fatigue, microaggressions, and unprocessed emotions silently drain you. Each small stressor adds up, leaving you exhausted without knowing why. Notice when your energy dips. After certain tasks, people, or environments, limit negative inputs, simplify choices, and acknowledge your feelings to plug these leaks. Awareness is the first step to refilling your energy reserves. How you end your day matters. A nightly reset helps you release stress and prepare for true rest. Start with a brain dump. Write down your worries and thoughts. Tidy a small area to create outer and inner order. Practice self-forgiveness. Place your hand on your heart and say, I forgive myself. I did my best. I release this day with gratitude. This 3-part ritual journaling, tidying, self-forgiveness, closes your day with peace. Consistent resets teach your mind that peace is always available, no matter how chaotic the day was. Sometimes you need unusual tools to reset your energy. Try cold water therapy. End your shower with cold water or splash water on your face to activate your nervous system and break anxiety cycles. Practice grounding. Walk barefoot on grass or dirt to reconnect and anchor yourself in the present. Speak gently to your body, thank it, acknowledge tension, and give it permission to relax. These simple acts bypass the mind and reset your body's energy. When you're stuck, use these keys to unlock your vitality and reconnect with yourself. Building mental strength is a daily practice. Every small choice is a stone in your fortress of peace. Start your day with gratitude and presence, not with your phone. Drink warm water, soak in the sunlight, and set a calm tone for the day. Protect against energy leaks by setting boundaries and choosing silence over noise. Visualize a protective bubble around you. This isn't selfish, it's essential. The small shifts, morning routines, mindful breaths, gentle boundaries add up to lasting inner peace. Protect your peace and you'll unlock your true power.